The 2.4-liter turbo hybrid system provides an excellent accelerator response, a smooth acceleration, and an excellent cornering performance to drive as intended. This hybrid system is equipped at the front with a 2.4-liter turbocharged engine, motor, and 6-speed automatic transmission. At the rear with an e-axle having a built-in high-output motor. A bipolar nickel-hydrogen battery is adopted. The hybrid system, therefore, precisely controls front and rear driving forces according to the driving conditions, providing high traction performance and handling stability. In addition, as the engine and the front motor are directly connected to the transmission, the power is directly transmitted to the tires, bringing a good accelerator response. The 2.4-liter turbo hybrid system combines the responsiveness at initial acceleration and the smooth acceleration to high-speed range. This is provided by a responsive motor, a turbocharged engine that generates powerful torque over a wide range of engine speeds, and a bipolar nickel-hydrogen battery. The conventional system has a structure that modularizes multiple independent cells and requires to pass current through terminals, which increases the resistance. The number of components are reduced and the internal resistance is significantly decreased, which is provided by the bipolar structure. This enlarged the energized area to allow a large current to flow. As a result, high output generated by high current and downsizing by reducing the number of components are both provided. This contributes to the responsive acceleration utilizing the two motors, front and rear. On urban roads, by just lightly pressing the accelerator pedal, the vehicle accelerates smoothly and powerfully. In situations where you want to accelerate quickly over a short distance, such as merging on a highway, the vehicle actively utilizes the two motors in the front and rear. The vehicle accelerates powerfully with a good response. Besides, in high-speed driving, the power of the turbo engine is utilized to provide a smooth drive with unprecedented high torque. By using an e-axle mounted in the rear and the electric AWD control system, the 2.4-liter turbo hybrid system demonstrates superior turning performance even on dry roads and excellent line traceability to drive as intended. When the vehicle turns, the system regulates the driving force distribution to the front and rear wheels to optimize the control of the vehicle posture. This coordinates the vehicle posture and steering operation to enable a smooth and natural cornering as the driver intends. When the corner ends, the driving force is distributed more to the rear wheels. The vehicle best utilizes the grip of the tires to accelerate powerfully. Utilizing the high system output from the turbocharged engine and the both of front and rear motors, the 2.4-liter turbo hybrid system provides the below features. Excellent accelerator response. Gentle and easy to control acceleration felt in low-speed driving, and smooth acceleration in high-speed driving. Smooth and natural cornering as intended. The 2.4-liter turbo hybrid system offers you a comfortable driving experience in any driving situation.